Hey, welcome back, everybody. You know, right now we are partnering with Pilgrim Dry Cleaners to fill a gigantic storage container filled with coats for children in need. You have until October 15th, which is this Saturday, to join our 37th annual Coats for Kids drive.
So you can also donate your new or gently used coats at a Devani's Pizza near you. So please make a donation.
Yeah, please, everybody go out and do that. All right, we have a debate to settle right here on Twin Cities Live.
It's like marriage counseling right here. Rob Barrett with Cooking for Dads is here with a wild rice caprese salad, but it's unclear at his house who created the recipe. Was it Rob? Or was it his wife, Jan? Rob is here, and there's some controversy here, and I hope that your marriage can withstand this trial, but I have a feeling you'll come out stronger on the other side.
After 31 years, I hope we can survive this controversy over the salad.
What happened?
Well, we were making a caprese salad one night, and we always think of you, because you say caprese salad is...
What do I say?
You know, your go-to line. What is that?
You said it once, and we're like, now it's like your life motto in our house, right?
What wise words have I said?
You just spit it out once and didn't even think about it. It's the taste of summer.
It does taste like summer. Yes, absolutely.
I actually have heard you say that.
Yes, right.
Oh, I have really. Okay.
You say a lot of things. So,
I just say, some would say far too many things. But that is just tomatoes, basil, usually a mozzarella or like a burrata, and then
that's not a meal.
Balsamic
that's
vinegar.
not a meal. That's like an appetizer. So what can we do to add a meal? And I think we came up with this recipe right here with wild rice. Adding wild rice to caprese salad is really good.
Great.
Well, you'll be the judge.
Okay.
And so then I was talking with her a couple weeks ago. I said, hey, I'm booked on Twin Cities Live. I'm going to make my wild rice caprese salad. She goes, your wild rice and caprese salad?
And to what you said what then?
And then playful banter ensued. And long and short of it, yada, 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 I spent the night on the couch. No, that's not true. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is.
Well, then who really made it, though? I mean, did you guys make it in conjunction, like tandem?
Maybe
I think so. So we're calling it a team effort. We're going to compromise, come together in the middle and meet, right? So I think the wild rice was my idea because I'm all about wild rice these days because I'm gluten-free and it's a great thing. I'm sure the corn and the pine nuts were her idea.
Okay.
And then the rest
We'll just call it RJ's salad. How about that?
Yes. I was going to call it Rob and Jan's wild rice caprese salad. She goes, how about Jan and Rob's?
Oh my gosh, I love her. This is really wonderful. All right, so how do we get going on assembling this?
Well, we're going to do a little chicken. We're going to add some meat to this because she says it's not a meal without meat, and she is right.
Yeah, she is right.
I mean, for me, she doesn't need meat ever. But so we're going to do a breast, and I've cut this into slices.
Okay.
And why do you
like
do that?
Little tenderloins almost.
Right. It cooked. You have more surface area, like we talked about.
Yep.
And also, it cooks more evenly. You got this chicken breast. You got this really thick part, this really thin part. You know, this evens out the cooking.
It's so smart.
So can you hold this open and we'll put it in the stuff?
I don't know if I can do that, but I'll try.
You add about a couple spoonfuls of olive oil.
Okay, here you go,
do some salt and pepper. I like doing marinades just right in the bag.
Yeah, that's smart.
Do some salt.
Okay.
I'm going to
this is
put in some garlic.
You guys are good.
No, I don't. This is a debate that Rob and I have. Actually, I have this with my husband Jay because Jay loves this pre-made garlic.
And you like to actually smash it.
Yeah, I don't like the pre-done stuff, but I feel like to each his own.
Hey, especially for something like this, it's so fast. Okay, squeeze it. We're going to do a juice of one.
Show your muscles.
Do you have one of these?
Yeah, I use it all the time. I used it this morning.
I think it's only kind of meh. To be honest, this is Mrs. Barrett.
Why is it
this? Because if you flip it over and you get more juice, then you got to flip it over again to get more juice.
Oh, yeah, but it's better than one time and let it go.
But it's better than like
all the juice. We're also going to drop these in there, boom, like that.
Oh, whoa.
So
that was something unexpected, wasn't it?
You kind of have to cut off the top to get a nice even thing.
I think you're making a mountain out of a molehill with this, Rob.
No, he wants to get every last ounce.
Look how much more we got.
Okay.
Right. And then
I do like the idea of the lemon rinds in there, though. That just adds flavor.
Adds so much flavor.
Yeah, why not?
So, a lot of crops are done, but your oregano should still be good. Your oregano is good, so we're going to take this and just kind of throw that all in there.
Yeah, that's fresh oregano.
Close that up.
Oh, that's fresh oregano?
Yeah,
fresh oregano. I thought it was just like green.
So it's almost a Greek kind of thing. You get the garlic, you got the lemon, you got the oregano. So we're going to close that up, we're going to shake it. Now, this can be in there for an hour. This is I did this about 3 or 4. Anything more than that, and that lemon juice is going to eat up that chicken.
Yeah, so don't do it.
It's going to be mush.
Isn't that wild?
Really.
I got you, because the acid kind of cooks the chicken too much.
It tenderizes the meat, and it's really good, but an hour 2 is probably
Isn't that interesting? I mean, lemon juice can cook seafood. That's like how amazing lemon juice is. It's fascinating.
And clean your countertops.
For sure.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
All right, so now we're going to do the Jan's and Rob's Caprese Salad. Wild rice. So put down a layer of wild rice first.
Okay, so like on the whole thing.
Yeah, just kind of spread it out.
Here, I'm just gonna go like this.
There you go.
I don't know what I was doing.
Then why don't you sprinkle on tomatoes? Now, your basil, we have some left. Do you have basil left?
No, mine is like wilty McGee.
Right.
Yeah.
And so if you look at this leaf, you're going to have half this is brown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you do not want the
brown part.
The brown part. So you do have to peel that off.
No, you don't want it because it's bad for you, like it's rotten, or it just doesn't look very good?
It doesn't taste good.
Yeah,
Oh, okay,
I think it's like done because it's gotten so cold.
Yeah.
But you know, a person could also buy a little basil plant and still keep it in your house.
It doesn't really grow. I've tried that.
Yeah.
And so I even have some rooting right now in the kitchen, and it doesn't. I don't think the sun is direct enough.
I think you're right.
I
But
have
mean,
not
at
had
least
good
you
luck
can let
inside.
it last for maybe a few more weeks, couple weeks maybe. All right,
You guys are
what
having
do
some
you, Rob?
basil problems, aren't you?
Honestly,
All right.
okay.
You can freeze it.
Yep.
No, so if people microwave it, no good.
No
It
good.
loses all the flavor. But if you can freeze it, so toss this in.
Okay.
That's chopped up, all
Yep,
ready
so
to go.
put this all
You're
here.
gonna put in some corn.
Okay.
like
And
that
again, just
idea.
I would
sprinkle
at
it
this
in
point
there.
add the chicken,
Okay.
and then put in some pine nuts.
Pine nuts.
Okay.
Toasted pine nuts.
Yes.
Well, you're splurging for us today,
Yeah,
my
you
friend.
really are.
These are expensive.
Oh, they really are.
Really, they're wild.
I bought them before I checked, and I was like,
Yeah,
whoa,
shoot,
see what
man.
happened?
It's like $18 worth of pine nuts right there.
That's about right.
Oh,
Really?
yeah, it's the
a
truth.
small sprinkle of that, and then we've talked about this product. Why don't you grab that?
That's
the
your balsamic
Okay.
syrup.
glaze.
You want to grab it?
Yeah.
So do you use this? Do you have this? The glaze?
No, I don't have the glaze. I just have regular balsamic vinegar that's aged.
This is so good. This is the Trader Joe product.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look
Oh,
at you.
look at you, just jazzing that thing up.
Thanks,
You're
guys.
better than, and then burrata.
Oh,
Now,
yeah, oh, yeah,
you
we
can
forgot
do
the burrata.
The whole key part. So,
I'm just going to put the two on there, don't you think?
yes, put them both right on.
Yep.
And then if you hand me the knife,
Okay.
we did the corn.
Yep.
We're going to cut them in half.
We're
and
gonna
they're
eat it.
open up like this.
Okay.
Oh, look how beautiful.
Look at Rob
I know,
built us
look
the
how he-
perfect bite.
I did.
built
Watch
that
you. I did make you the
perfectly.
perfect.
This is amazing. That shows a lot of care when you build a perfect bite.
I love you guys. You know that. A little bit of everything.
Perfect.
It's so good.
Taste of summer. And then with the rice, it's just hearty enough that it makes it into a meal. I
It's
think.
like
So-
still a little bit of summer, but moving into fall. It's great. Rob,
Fine,
I like the
Mrs.
way you
Barrett,
think.
you win.
Because
Jan?
just a regular caprese salad is not quite a meal, but that is a meal.
No.
totally delicious. And the burrata, thumbs up.
Yeah, thank you.
100%.
All right, you guys, you saw the recipe. You can get the recipe right now on TwinCitiesLive.com. Just click today on TCL.
Okay.